From the first time I touched a weight, I loved training. I'm not sure why I became addicted to it as a 13-year-old kid, but I did. I started competing in powerlifting 2 years later, and that just added fuel to the fire. It was all I wanted to do. I spent hundreds of hours reading whatever I could find online about training. I trained my friends, co-workers, and family members in my little garage gym, and I knew that's what I wanted to do for a career as an adult. Instead, I went to school, with a big push from family, the goal being going into medicine, but my heart really wasn't in that. I also spent a few years chasing money as a stockbroker, and even when the money was coming in, I wasn't happy. And that's when one of the best things happened to me. Life kicked me in the teeth. I lost everything. So I was now 25 years old, starting from ground zero. There was no reason to be afraid of failure anymore. I had nothing to lose. I walked into a local gym, asked the owner if I could start training people there, and I've been doing it since. That was many years ago. I have since helped hundreds of people achieve their goals. I've had clients from all walks of life, all levels of experience, with every goal you can think of. Whether it was competition, weight loss, recovering from injuries, or improving their health, I have been able to get on their level and figure out how to bring them across the finish line. I love what I do because I love seeing people achieve things they didn't think they were capable of. I love what I do because I get to see success in this area, motivate clients to start going for it in all areas of their life. I love what I do because it's way bigger than just fitness goals, it's life-changing. I pride myself on going above and beyond expectations and doing whatever necessary to get you to the finish line. It's only at the finish line that your race truly begins. It's only there that your life truly begins. My name is Eddie, and this is the Savage Method. So, to get started, simply scroll down below this video and you'll see the training packages we provide. Whether your goal is muscle gain, fat loss, or overall general fitness, the Savage Method will work for you. So get signed up and we'll start attacking your goals together. I'll see you on the other side.